Good morning, everybody. Grateful for another beautiful day. We have news today at 9:45. We got the flash manufacturing PMI and services PMI, so we will be waiting until after 9:45 to take a trade. So from the last update, I had taken $1,800 in payouts. It had already been paid out to my account. And here's one of the emails that I received. This is from support@topstep.com to my email address. I got a payout of $1,000 on this account, and of course it's the 10% cut that they take, so I had received $900, and on two accounts this is what I got. However, after taking those payouts on those two accounts, I was on a losing streak and those two accounts had been blown. All right, so we're working with one funded account and I'm working on two evals right now to get those funded. So yeah, that's the weekly update so far. Right now, looking at the charts, we have two daily volume imbalances that we're working with, pretty much sandwiched in between this price range right now. So we have this one down here that was created last night, and this one over here that was created in the beginning of the month, okay? What I am expecting price to do today is for price to run up into a pool of liquidity or that imbalance, all right? So the 4-hour candle is showing a pool of liquidity right here, right below the daily volume imbalance. We could see a reversal from here down into a daily volume imbalance right here that was created last night. Right now we inverse this 5-minute fair value gap. So what I am going to do, I'm going to actually take a one micro contract. Place stops right there. It's a $57 risk. Okay, but I am going to take this all the way down to Asia low to that volume imbalance just to see how that does. So that's basically the position that I just took right now. 5-minute IFEG inversed, $57 risk, $421 reward. Okay, so that's basically the trade that I'm going to take. I know news is at 9:45, but this is a setup that I see and that I will take right after hitting this imbalance, and I'm only risking $57. And if it starts to run, I will look for an area to scale in more contracts down to this daily volume imbalance. All right, so we'll see what happens. So I took 3 trades total. The first trade was that short that I tested out before news. Closed at about $8 profit, break even. I longed MNQ. Y'all saw that trade here. I cut that short. I didn't want to stick around anymore. It's 11:41 on the day already, so I wanted to get off the computer. And I shorted gold. Y'all saw that trade as well over here. Um, so I recorded everything. I closed gold here because it was kind of just moving sideways and I didn't want to sit around for that all day as well. And I wanted to take some profit. So total on the day, $357.32. Took a total of 3 trades today. Like the video for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to join me on my journey to 100K. And leave a comment below. Let me know how y'all did today. And as an update, as I stated earlier, I did trade only one funded account on Top Step because that's all that I have left after taking 2 payouts on 2 separate accounts. The equity on that was just way too low, and I lost 3 trades in a row, and that basically was gone. And somebody mentioned like why I don't document my losing trades. I do. It's just these days I haven't had enough time to edit the videos or even do much trading on the days that I do lose. And I've been noticing that a lot of my lost days has been on days when work is a lot, when there's a lot of work. So what I've been doing lately is only, you know, documenting trades for YouTube on days that my workload is very light. And I tend to do a lot better on those days, which is why you are only seeing those winning trades. But I do lose trades still, and I have blown funded accounts still. It's just not documented because those are the days that I do not have time to record and edit the videos. Um, I'm pretty sure a losing day will come where it is documented on a light work day. It's just not happening. And you know what? Honestly, like if I just continue to trade on those days that work is light and I continue to build up equity and just build my account, then I think that's a lot better than trading on those days that I don't do well on, right? Right. I mean, trading on the days where workload is pretty heavy, right? I mean, it just makes sense. So like if you look at this, I lost 400 some dollars here on Friday. I had to scalp back what I lost. I was down in the hole like what $717, and I had to scalp it back up to be up in 20. This is the day that I had actually lost my other 2 funded accounts. The equity was just way too low, and it just couldn't handle the drawdown. So, but hey, it is what it is. I'm working on 2 more evaluations to get those funded. We'll see what happens this week. And yeah, I'll catch y'all hopefully sometime this week. If not, then I'll catch y'all next week.